Main thing, how to use vMix L-shape add controller. Then open vMix software and input the videos, L-shape add, title, trigger, stinger, etc. Then how to create L-shape add? You can search vMix YouTube official channel and learning L-shape add setup. Then this is my L-shape add, and open vMix add scheduler software. Open vMix add schedule software. Automatically connect vMix API fully automatically. Just you can open this software. Then always stop option. Just click always stop. Then software all time always stop. Then resize this software. Then okay. This version 1.1. You can check about and about detail. Version 1.1 and next version upcoming next month. Just software detail. Then how to set up time schedule. Then follow the instruction. Just copy the title but trigger name. First copy the trigger name, just copy and select overlay type, then trigger, then paste trigger name, then select overlay type, overlay 1 2 3 4. Just select input 1, then set up time, just 15:43:00. Then add schedule. Again set up stinger, same type. Copy the stinger name, then click select stinger, then paste input name. Automatically select overlay type 1, then set the time 15:00, just 30 seconds late. Then 30 seconds. Again add input, then set up title, same way. Just copy title name and select title and paste title name and input number 1. You can choose any input number. Then set up the time 4:44. Just back to 30 seconds. Again set up schedule, then trigger stinger title, then select L-shape add, same way. Copy the L-shape name, then select L-shape add, paste, click merge, then back to 30 seconds, same system. Then 30 second input, then back to full screen add. Just copy time, input full screen add, and back to 10 second 00:40. Then okay. Wait just 30 seconds. Automatically upcoming trigger and play another video. Just play another video. Then 10 seconds wait. Upcoming is calling this time schedule system. Wait. Now upcoming is calling. Back to stinger 30 second wait. wait 10 seconds, automatically open Stinger and hide scrolling, automatically Stinger hide. Then wait 1 minute, open title automatically and duration time 10 seconds, then automatically hide. The software open, automatically connected vMix API and IP, automatically open title and 10 seconds back to hide, automatically hide. Then wait 30 seconds, automatically open L shape and at same time automatically open on your screen, automatically L shape add and duration time 10 seconds, automatically open full screen videos. This is my software and this working process can you buy. Visit MiZan Basic IT website or Facebook page MiZan Basic IT. You can contact, then purchase this software. Now buy. Tata.